What's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Khalil and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit some photos on your iPhone. So the app we're going to be using is called VSCO and it's a pretty cool app. There's a lot of presets and then there's also all the tools that you'll need as far as cropping, changing your contrast or saturation, boosting the shadows. It has all the tools that you'll need to edit your photo and get the photo that you want. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the app and we got a few photos right here. Let's start with this picture of my newborn, Knox. So when you open the app, as you can see on the screen recording, when you open it, you have an option to add all your photos into the app, and then from there, you just click edit image. Now at the bottom, you'll see right here, you have all your presets. So if you just click one, you can just scroll through them, find one that suits the mood you're going for. You can also go down here to where you make recipes, and then you can just edit your photos from a past photo. So you can save it and it'll just be right there. And then you can just click it and add it to any photo. Sometimes I do that. I make a few recipes and then just add them. Makes it really simple and fast to get pictures that you want. Like this one. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it from scratch though. All right, so let's start over. There's also like a portrait, cool, warm, black and white, featured, recent, popular, and you can favorite certain ones, so you don't have to look through all of them. I'm gonna go to portrait, kind of like J5. Let's see what's up with A1 Pro. It's too bright. Let's go back. We'll go with J5. We'll go to the exposure, bring that down, 1.5. Go to our contrast. We'll add 1 contrast. We'll go to our saturation. We'll lower that halfway, or half a point. Then we'll go to HSL. HSL allows you to control the saturation of each color individually. So I can show you an example. You see how his shirt has all the colors on it? We'll go to the blues. You can turn the blue down, you can turn the purple down, turn the green down. And then as you can see, the grass is kind of yellow. So you can turn that down. So what I'm actually gonna do, bring the oranges down a little bit, and the reds down a little bit. And there's before and there's after. And I'm just gonna call that one good. I like to add a border, so I'll add a white border at, usually depending on, I'll do 3.5. There you go. Save it to the camera roll. And there's your finished photo. All right, let's do another one. Here's my daughter, Demaya. As you can see, this photo has some strong blues and yellows. I'm actually just gonna go back to all presets. AL3 Pro isn't bad. We'll go with that. We'll go to our exposure. We'll bring it down 0.5. We'll add a little bit of contrast. We'll go to our saturation and drop that. We'll go on our HSL. I'm gonna take the greens out. There's a bush back there. Take the purple out. There's no purple. And bring those yellow and blues down just a little bit. I like how that looks. Add a border. Yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I'm gonna show you guys a few more examples, but that's how I like to edit my photos. Let's see. Now we have a landscape photo when fishing. Nope, wrong. Now I have a landscape photo when I used to work for Amazon. I was driving by this school in Portland and it looked very, very old. Like almost looks like the White House or something. I don't know. It looks very old is all I'm trying to say. We could do it black and white, but let's. So I like this one right here because you can see the difference. It takes the greens down already, but you have that brown brick and the white of the top of the building. It looks pretty good. Let's go exposure, bring that down a little bit. Contrast up a little bit. Saturation down a little bit. Go to HSL. We'll bring those greens down even more. Take that grass down a little bit. I don't want the sky like super blue, so that's why I took that down a little bit. Before and after. And we can actually go to adjust. Oops, didn't mean to rotate it. We can actually straighten this photo out. It's kind of crooked. That looks better. If we wanted to, we could actually crop it and get rid of this stuff. Let's try that. And border. I'm gonna show you guys one more example and then you guys have to go try it for yourselves. Let's do this picture of my son, Josiah, my 5-year-old. We went out fishing on the Columbia River. Let's actually do a black and white. I like that one. Bring down the exposure a little bit. Add some contrast. Actually gonna add a little bit of grain to this one. And a vignette. Stupid train. And we're gonna add some vignette. Maybe some blur. Let's try something different. And I save the camera roll. Here's the photos, and I'm gonna show them on screen right now. Alright guys, so that's how I edit my photos on VSCO. I've been using this app for 4 years. It's always done me justice, and I've taken a lot of cool photos on my phone and edited them on this app, and people thought they were taken on camera. So those might not have been the most amazing examples to show you guys, but those are some photos that I wanted to edit. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.